In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Whether you're setting up a new computer or just want to switch browsers, this guide will walk you through each step smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, we'll need to download the Chrome installer. Begin by opening Microsoft Edge or any other web browser you have on your Windows 11 computer. If it's your first time using Edge, take a moment to familiarize yourself, but it operates similarly to other browsers. Once you're ready, navigate to the official Google Chrome download page by typing google.com Chrome in the address bar and hitting Enter. This page is the only legitimate source for downloading Chrome, so always ensure you're on the right website to avoid unwanted software. On the Chrome homepage, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download Chrome. Go ahead and click it. This triggers a pop-up window to appear with the terms of service. Take a moment to review these terms if you wish, then click on Accept and Install. Alternatively, you may have an option to save the installer file directly to your computer, depending on your browser's settings. Now it's time to install Chrome. If you opted to save the file, navigate to your Downloads folder where you should find a file named chromesetup.exe. Locate this file and double-click on it to initiate the installation process. Upon double-clicking, your system may ask if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security measure, and you can confirm the action by clicking Yes. With that confirmation, the installer will spring into action, automatically downloading and installing all the necessary files for Google Chrome. The installation should proceed without any further inputs from you. Patience is key during this phase, but rest assured, it won't take too long. Once the installation is complete, a Chrome window will open, indicating that you're now ready to use the browser. Now that Chrome is installed, you might want to personalize it a bit. You can sign into your Google account by clicking the user icon at the top right corner. This allows you to sync your bookmarks, history, and passwords across your devices, offering a seamless browsing experience wherever you log in. Furthermore, if you're pleased with Chrome, consider making it your default browser. This way, any links you open from emails or other applications will automatically launch in Chrome, streamlining your internet navigation. And there you have it. You've just learned how to download and install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Enjoy exploring the web with one of the fastest and most secure browsers available. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching.